your forecast.
When are the dog days of summer? For the answer, after your local on the 8th. And this report from Seattle.
Growing herbs has become very popular.
Oh shit, I keep missing that. But it keeps smurfing.
That's the best place. No doubt came from the roots of peppermint. If you're interested in growing some of your own herbs,
Oh, I got that, baby.
it's not too difficult. Like one of the myths.
No, I can't hear any rumble. I think sometimes it just does lightning here.
Plants can be very vigorous. In fact, you can be downright invasive.
I don't think people really care.
Anyway, because of the
I think they're so used to it, it's like, what's the point?
There is no thunder.
It's called the wind down, mate.
It's wind, actually. Stop it.
It is thundering in Florida. Our second day here, and it's fucking boring.
They did say,
Look how clear it is over there,
I
people.
don't know what we are, but they said it's western Florida.
We're south.
One of my personal favorites is apple mint.
I don't think it's going to get too bad here.
Make a nice addition to a flower arrangement.
Yeah, the wind's picking up.
Like this, I just cut it back. It causes the plant to grow thicker and thicker. And as you can see,
Come on, get some.
it can take a little shade. For more gardening tips, log on to PAlanSmith.com.
Cock, I missed it.
Weather.com. From the garden, I'm Alan Smith for the Weather Channel.
A great companion to Alan Smith Gardens is our website, PAlanSmith.com. Get hands-on gardening tips, delicious recipes, and craft projects that will take you from season to season.
Now it's thundering over there.
Click away at PAlanSmith.com.
There's nowhere to go.
If you need a fire or water damage in your home or business, call 1-800-SERVE.
Say hello.
I've already taped it.
Hello, Timon. You again? Huh?
Save it for later because we're going to get all that, you know, when it lights up. It is raining.
It's very windy. as you
Rain,
can
we have
see.
rain. Lovely stuff. Lovely and cool, right?
Very windy. And it is about 70 degrees here. And that is fucking hot. Hot indeed. Let's watch the traffic. Hey, it's my car.
Only been
I'm back.
only been here one day, and what a day we're having.
Dan, I'm zooming in quite fast so it will be all blurry.
Oh, okay. I tried.
Right, goodbye.